In this lecture, we'll briefly discuss about master-slave JK flip-flop. There are master-slave D, master-slave SR also, but we are interested about master-slave JK because this flip-flop came to avoid the drawback in normal JK flip-flop, that is racing. Okay, that's why we are interested to know about master-slave JK. This is the logic diagram. This master-slave JK contains two JK flip-flops. This one at the input side is called the master JK flip-flop. This flip-flop at the output side is called slave JK flip-flop. Why this is called slave? Because this is working based on the output of a master. It's depend on the output of a master. That's why this is called slave. Okay. And this master is a positive triggered flip-flop. This slave is a negative triggered flip-flop. Because we are giving, see here, clock directly to the master, we given positive clock, but same clock we will give to the slave flip-flop through the inverter, so it will become a negative triggered flip-flop. Okay, and one more thing we have to observe here, for the master we removed the feedback, but there is a feedback from slave output to master input, that you have to observe. And here we used NAND latch part. Suppose if I use NOR latch part, the gated part will become AND and the latch part will become NOR. In that case, this feedback connections we have to change accordingly. Okay, that we have to remember. So this master flip-flop will work for positive. This is positive triggered and this is for negative triggered. It means for positive, master flip-flop will respond. It will send input to output. Okay. For positive trigger, slave flip-flop will become hold. Okay. It won't respond. Similarly, for negative trigger, master will hold. It won't respond. But a slave will respond. It will send input to output. So with this kind of arrangement, we are able to avoid the racing. That is the logic behind to avoid the racing. Okay. So this master slave flip-flop is called a pulse triggered flip-flop because during positive this master is working, during negative slave is working. Together in total pulse whole circuit is working. So the final output become the slave output and the input become the master input. Okay, right.